Hello guys, today I want to show you how to edit a photo on Pixlr. So first head over to pixlr.com and click on Open AI Photo Editor. Click on Open Image. Let's choose an image from our desktop here, our computer. For example, this one. Add your image. So to edit the image, guys, all the tools for necessary editing are there. You can crop, you can adjust the image, arrange it, add a tool to magic output, you can draw a cutout, you can add After Effects to the image, the AI tools, you can also use the filter. There are many filters here. You can also retouch the image, you can draw, add text, and add any other elements. So the basic editing is simply available on Pixlr for image editing and retouch. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.